everyone, it's Ann, and I have another collab for you. It's a summer squash and veggie challenge, and it's hosted by Ellie at DIY from House to Home Kitchen Edition. I'm using yellow squash, and I'm going to make some squash boats. I used to make these all the time for my kids, and I haven't made them in a long time, and they are so good. So when she issued this challenge to us, I thought about making this, and it's very quick and easy and delicious. And I just took some squash, two squash, and I just cut them down the middle, put the cut side down. Make sure you salt them really well, and I sprayed them with some avocado spray, but you can also use olive oil. And I just preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and you'll just put them in there for about 15 minutes. And I'll have Ellie's channel linked below as well as the playlist so you can watch all the other ladies' videos. These ladies can cook, and I'm sure you'll get some great ideas for some summer squash and veggie recipes. So I'll put these in the oven and I'll show you the next step. Okay, I melted 2 tablespoons of butter. I've got 1.5 cups of stuffing mix and a half a cup of sour cream. Just mix that in. It did call for cheese, but I didn't put that in here. And I will link the complete recipe below so you can follow that if you want to. And just mix that together. Cool your squash when it comes out of the oven, and then spoon the middle of the squash and put it into your stuffing mix and mix that all together. And then put it in your squash and just make sure you don't overfill it. And then you'll take this and you'll put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. And there you have it. Fast and easy and delicious squash boats. And I want to thank Ellie from DIY from House to Home for hosting this challenge. And I will have her channel linked below as well as a playlist with all the other ladies' great recipes. And I'll see you again in the next video.